giving my layers some texture because let's be honest, I need it. If your hair is anything like mine and it dries like this, then you need to take a nice hairbrush and make sure all your hair is detangled. Next, you have to use a heat protectant. If you don't, that's not very nice of you. I like to work on my front section first. So for my bangs, I'm going to be using this thermal brush to brush my hair towards my face, and then I'm going to add in a roller. For the next section, I am basically going to be brushing the hair away from my face. I love this brush because it gives me the best results in the least amount of time. I'm repeating the same thing on the last section, and wow, look at my mohawk. For the rest of my hair, I'm just going to brush them away from my face. Some might argue that a straightener might do the same job, but I'm just a girl. And at least I'm not frying my hair. It's been almost 30 minutes now, and it's time to take everything out. The longer you let these rollers sit in your hair, the better. And we're done. Thank you for watching, Bookies.